The blinking blue light on your Rogers Xfinity modem, likely a hit-run model, usually means WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup is active, trying to pair a device. If it's stuck blinking, the pairing probably failed or timed out. To stop it, try pressing the WPS button on the modem again. This might cancel the process. If that doesn't work, a modem restart usually does the trick. Unplug it, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. It is also possible to cancel WPS via the XFi app by using the automated diagnostic tools. Remember, a persistent blinking light is usually just an annoyance, not a serious problem. Once the blinking stops, reconnect your devices to the Wi-Fi. Select your network and enter the password. Consider using the Xfinity or Rogers Ignite app for easier management. A crucial point, WPS can be a security risk. Leaving it active makes your network vulnerable. Experts recommend disabling WPS after you've connected your devices and using a strong WPA3 password for better security. For Xfinity users, the XFi app lets you disable WPS. Rogers Ignite customers should check their Ignite app or modem settings for similar options. By taking these steps, you ensure a stable and secure home network.